Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the 7 key differences between college and university. First, let's talk about the main distinction. Universities offer a wider range of programs, while colleges typically focus on specific areas of study. While colleges often have smaller class sizes, universities tend to have larger class sizes, which can promote a more independent learning experience. Another difference is the level of academic rigor. Universities generally have higher academic standards, while colleges provide a more hands-on and practical approach to learning. When it comes to degrees, universities commonly offer undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral programs, whereas colleges mostly provide diplomas, certificates, and associate degrees. Universities often have more research opportunities, with professors and students actively engaging in research projects, whereas colleges usually emphasize practical training and internships. In terms of campus life, universities tend to have a greater number of extracurricular activities, clubs, and sports teams, creating a vibrant social atmosphere. Colleges often provide more affordable tuition fees compared to universities, making them attractive options for students on a budget. Universities typically require higher admission scores and have more competitive application processes compared to colleges. Moreover, universities often have more established alumni networks and connections to industries, which can be advantageous for networking and career opportunities. Lastly, universities often have more extensive libraries, research facilities, and specialized equipment, providing students with better resources for their studies. There you have it, the 7 key differences between college and university. Let us know in the comments which option you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content.